Hi everyone, we're still on the episode 3 day here, but it's pitch black outside, so I won't be doing an outside intro for this one. But here we are at Let's Do Bonsai with the Kit Bonsai Trio. There's been a lot of requests for updates on this one, and we're pretty much where we were in episode 2. Apart from we had a trio of pines growing, and now we have a duo of pines. There they are. We've got a bit of algae build up on the surface of the soil, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then we've just taken the Betula and the Acer out of cold stratification, so we'll be adding a bit of water to that and maybe putting a few more little air holes in those bags and getting them onto a nice shelf. So first things first, let's get rid of this top layer of soil which has got the algae build up. Just scrape it back. We only need to replace it with another thin layer, although there is quite a few bits still to get rid of here. I'll just take it away, I just don't want it. So we'll just come in with some small particles of fresh bonsai soil. And just tamp that down. And that can just be watered through and kept on the shelf, and hopefully it will continue to grow. We'll just do the same with the other pine here. I believe these were mountain pines, so they're used to growing in harsh conditions and things like that, so you know, algae and stuff shouldn't really bother it too much. But I just don't want it there. So we'll just put a nice new layer of soil and perlite into the top here. And at least it will look nicer, and we can actually see the greenness of the top of the pine instead of just seeing a big plate of algae. So that's those done. We'll just open these up and give them a little bit of water. Obviously they haven't done anything because they've been in cold stratification. So we'll just pop some water into these. Just give that one a little bit more, a little bit dry. Zip them back up. Not much of an update on these because we've lost a pine and these are only just coming out of cold stratification to go back in to the tent the second time round. But hopefully episode 4 will have some good results. So we'll just move those away, ready to go up into the tent. We'll give these a little water through. I don't worry too much about getting them on the top. In fact, I like to water from the top of the tree just to make sure that the leaves get a little bit of moisture. And there we go. So nice, quick, easy episode 3 of the Bonsai Kit, Bonsai Trio plant theatre. We'll see how these little seedlings carry on, and we'll see if we get anything out of the 4 that have just come out of stratification. So once again, I'm Scott Winard. This is Let's Do Bonsai, and I'll see you again on the next one.